camera setup. This is my second time trying these. Why are you biting it like that? You don't bite it like that. Oh my god, I just broke it, right? Who cares? Tastes good. I don't know why I'm doing this. I just wanted to make a video. This is not ASMR. What are you doing? Don't get it on my bed. I like the white chocolate ones. Okay. You have been eating Kit Kats wrong this whole time. I can't believe you. Well, I am too, but okay. The whole thing. When you have no motivation and you just make this.
I have chocolate in my nose.
What?
Right here. I took it out.
Does it taste good?
I need more. Wait, aren't they more?
Oh my gosh, he's gonna make it more. Literally just ate like 50 yesterday. Okay, bye. I'm just cringing.